Hi everyone, my name's Frank, and I'm the user advocate for Artsman, and welcome to our series on exchanging in Theater Manager. In this video, we'll be exchanging two higher price tickets and collecting the difference. Okay, let's get started. In this scenario, Mr. Lawrence would like to exchange for higher value tickets. He'd like to move from the balcony to the more expensive lower center section. Starting on the ticket review window, we can see the tickets marked for exchange, with his returning tickets marked with the red minus sign and the new ones showing the green plus sign. After a quick review, we see the order has 4 tickets with a balance. While we've added the new tickets, we haven't released the old ones, which is why we'll click the Confirm button to complete this phase of the exchange. Once we do, the Ticket Exchange Confirmation window appears. Theater Manager is providing us with options on how to handle the difference in price. We're going to choose the option suggested, Exchange Tickets and Collect Price Difference. Back at the Order window, notice the Summary area, which now shows an outstanding balance of $71.40. To finish, simply click on the Payment button and collect the difference. And now, a tip from Tom. Supervisors or managers can have specific employee permissions set up to waive exchange fees, giving them more flexibility when dealing with patrons. You can find these settings in the Functions tab of an employee record. Okay, time to recap. First, click Confirm after reviewing your exchange. Second, select Exchange Tickets and Collect Price Difference. Third, click the Exchange button to add the difference to your order, and finally, process the payment. And that's it. We hope you've enjoyed this video. From all of us here at Artsman, thanks for watching.